And once again, as expected, as predicted, crude oil failed to sustain below the crucial support zone at 97.98 last week. I have told this. At the same time, it failed to break past the resistance at 110. It is trying to consolidate in this zone. Now we will try to see what is going to happen next week, what can be expected from crude oil next week with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. So yes, I am Ankit and welcome to you all to my channel. Those who are new to the channel must watch my daily and weekly analysis on crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver, and if you are into indices, then Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany and India index analysis are also shared on the daily and weekly analysis. In fact, US and gold analysis is being shared twice a day, once with the Asia session and once with the US cash session. So do press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts for oil here. Look at this, how precisely oil is trying to get the support. It is trying to consolidate in this zone on the weekly charts. Now again, once again, $98 levels will be the next and strongest support. At the same time, 110, in between these 98 to 110, we may see oil swinging again next week. It is trying to create a proper flag on the weekly charts once it tries to break out. So yes, beyond 111 you can remain long on NG, rather on crude oil. Once it is trading above 112, you can remain long here, and one can expect that probably we may see a stronger bullish move which will try to take it towards 120 and plus levels. So this is what is seen on the weekly charts. At the same time, higher lows and the retracement here till the top has indicated that neither the bulls nor the bears are in control, but at the same time closing towards the top as is indicative of a little bullishness here towards the end of the week, may sustain this bullishness in the beginning of next week, and hence it can try to breach this zone at 112 levels, which will indicate that if it breaks 112, we may see a strong bullish momentum coming up in crude oil, where it can try to head towards 115, 118 levels. In fact, 120 cannot be denied. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe what we have seen on the daily weekly charts. Here also the same is being seen, and many a times. See, this was the drop retracement, this was the drop retracement, higher highs, this was higher lows. Now it is again trying to achieve till there. So this is the level which it may try to come back to, which is at around 112 to 114 levels. In between this zone, between 112 and 114, it may try to achieve, and then minor retracement, then a breakout can be expected. So yes, it is still trying to trade in this channel, it is still trying to trade or consolidate here, and that is what can be observed from the daily charts too, that yes, you can expect that it may try to hit 112 to 114 zone, and beyond that it may try to hit 118, 120 levels also. So this is just on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart also. On the monthly candle, see, previous to candle almost flat bottom. Now higher lows are being done, and it is trying to achieve higher highs. How far this could go? Definitely 115 levels can be seen here. Probably, in fact, it may try to break past 115, and yes, the bottom is here at 97.98, and with this as a trading zone in between 115 and 97.98, it may try to consolidate a bit. In fact, next week also we may see it singing in between this, where higher lows and higher highs can be seen, 113, 112, 114 zone, and then on the downside 100, 102 levels should provide a very strong support. So monthly candles are also reflective of the same observation what we have seen here on the daily and weekly charts. So let's look at the 4-hour. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Similarly, on the 4-hour charts, you will see higher lows are being seen and higher highs are being seen here, and right now the highs are seen at around 112 levels. Once it breaks past 112, we may see it heading somewhere in between 113.5 and 114, and if it breaks this, then nobody will stop to create till double top, and beyond that it will definitely fly high till towards 118, 120 levels. So 4-hour charts are also reflective of same. The bottom for here again on the charts is somewhere at around $100 levels, and 102 somewhere in between those levels we may see it coming back to. But let's have a look with the help of indicators whether indicators are also indicative of same or we are having a different picture out there. Now look at the 4-hour charts there. On the 4-hour charts it is trading above this critical support at 104 to 106. So on the 4-hour charts this zone between 104 to 106 is important for it to break past by. If it breaks below we can see a sharper drop here. So and on the 4-hour charts one can observe that the directional movement here is also trying to converge. It is divergent, it is trying to converge from here. So probably a few red candles on the 4-hour charts can be seen. The stochastic is overbought, hence it can try to drop a little. MACD is also wide divergent and hence it can try to drop a little, and RSI is also near to overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts here, on the daily charts the indicators almost crude is trying to trade at the top of the Bollinger Bands, which is situated at around 110 levels, and in fact the channel top is at around 110 levels. At the same time the 20 and 50 period moving average are coming together at 104 105 levels. So I'll be cautious of this zone. Next week if it breaks 104 105 zone, we may see it again coming back till towards 199 levels, which is also 100 period moving average here, which and the bottom of the bands, which might give it a stronger support. Now look at the directional movement on the daily charts. It is crossing over on the buy side here, and hence one can expect that it may try to rise again. Our stochastic is also looking upwards on crude, and hence a little bullishness can be expected. MACD has also crossed over and it is first candle, and hence more green candles can be expected, and RSI is also looking upwards from here. So little bullish signs here on crude oil, and probably we may see it rising from here. Also look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts the 20 period moving average giving it a support at 97-98 zone. Now this is a very strong support zone. If it breaks this, then one can expect that it is going to break sharply till towards 84-85 in few weeks probably, but I don't expect that it is going to break. I will rather expect it to give a breakout from here and continue the bullish zone. Let's see. These are markets. On the weekly charts also the directional movement is converging. It is bullish right now. Also stochastic is trying to enter into overbought zone. Couple of green candles can be sustained, and then it will see. This is the beautiful chart for oil where it has seen highs and lows, and it is so cyclic that again it is trying to come back. Then one can expect that it may try to drop again. So trading in this cycle, probably one can expect little more bullishness here on crude oil. Also coming back to the monthly charts, I don't think so the monthly charts are good to here, good for here to refer, but let's have a just glance at it. The stronger support at $60 levels, and yes, it is wide and divergent on the directional movement. A stochastic is overbought but looking downwards. MACD is also trading with a bullish bias, and RSI is overbought here too. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. And before I give you the trading levels, if you have any trading or training related query, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel description and the video description also. And also if you want to join my mentorship batch, and if you want to learn the expertise and the art to predict the markets, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon. The seats are filling up fast. Book your seat. Reach out to me for details. Also you can be part of my VIP signals group, where just as per trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. So reach out to me for details. Now let's have a look at the levels here. And next week if you see NG trading above here at 110, I will directly give you 110 only, as it has closed the week at 108.6. One can expect a bullishness here. If it breaks past 110, one can go long, and one can expect here at 111.5, 112. These two levels I will be watchful of. Once it breaks past 112.5, 112, I will be looking forward to 113.5 levels. And here also the nearest zone is 114. So these four levels, very strong resistance zone, and if it breaks past this, one can expect 116, 118 and 120. Every $2 it may try to get a little support from. So this is the way you can definitely profit if you try to trade in this fashion. Trade as per the levels, and yes, always with a stop loss, and keep shifting your stop loss to cost always. So that is how you can preserve capital and you can profit also. On the downside, if you see it trading below So yes, we have to see if one can go short here or not. One can go short at 107, and the target is again till towards 105 and 104. This zone between 105 and 104 I'll be watchful of. This is going to be a very strong support zone for crude oil for any further drop, but if it breaks past 104, I'll be looking forward to 101 and 99 levels. And yes, if it breaks this, one can expect 98 97 zone. I have always told this is a very strong support zone, and if it sustains below this, then only one can expect that oil is going bearish, and we will be looking forward to 92 $93 levels soon, and below that sky is the limit. On the downside, $84 levels is the target if it continues to trade below this zone at 92 93 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to shift your stop loss. Do not forget to trade and close in profit. That is the most important part. Little profits are always good rather than waiting for a big one and ending up in losses. So reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.